That was the second condition. Yes or no?
Yes.
Now you are going to think of some aspects about the evaluation of our students. How do we provide feedback? How do we evaluate them according or regarding the 4 language skills?
Yes.
Writing, speaking, listening, and reading. Reading and listening are could be the input for our students, yes or not?
Yes.
And writing and speaking are the productive skills,
Yes.
the output, yes?
Yes.
So we are going to do a brainstorm. You are going to provide some ideas according to this topic. You are going to think of some questions. How does the evaluation benefit our learners? Okay? And the second question, how is it important for their learning? So, how does the evaluation benefit our learners in our schools? And why or how is it important for their learning? Yes? Do we evaluate only to have some grades? Or do we evaluate to teach them something? Or do we evaluate because we have to provide some grades to the principal or to their parents? Why do we evaluate our students? Okay? So we are going to provide some ideas in order to have here like a review of this topic, okay? Think of it for 2 minutes and then we are going to brainstorm. Okay?
This question is?
Yes. So what is the first question that we have to consider?
How does the evaluation benefit learners?
That one, please, Barbara.
How does the evaluation benefit learners?
Benefit and learners. Thank you. Another question.
How is it important for their learning?
How is the evaluation?
Evaluation important for their learning.
Yes, for learners or for their learning.
Their learning.
Okay? And we are going to consider the 4 skills. Okay? What are skills? Lina? Listening. Reading.
Writing. Speaking.
Writing. And
Speaking.
speaking. Okay.
Increase. No. Advances. What means fortalezas?
Strengths.
Strength.
Yes, the strengths. What strategies do we usually apply to evaluate those skills? For example, rubrics, yes or not? Checklists, what else? Could you please give me some ideas? Because sometimes we use rubrics, yes? Checklist, what else?
Depends. Oh, sorry.
Oral report.
Oral report.
Telling stories.
Role plays. Oral report.
Oral report.
What else?
Telling stories.
Exposition.
Exposition.
Presentations. Because I think that we never evaluate only in a written form, no? We use different strategies. Some of the strategies are rubrics, checklists, role plays, oral reports, presentations. What else? Workshops, okay?
Homework.
Workshops, yes. Homeworks or tasks, yes. Other strategies. The discipline.
The participation.
Yes.
Sketch, Margarita.
Students motivation.
Sketch.
Okay, some of those.
Excuse me, Margarita.
Yes.
Role plays and sketch. That's similar?
Those are similar.
Yeah.
Sketch are
Theater is a part of the
yes. And role plays, they can create their own role plays. But a sketch, you can bring like a guideline and you can say, you have to read this and represent it, please, in front of the class. And role plays are more when they create as a group. Yes? When
For
you
example-
provide the topic and they have to create a role play.
For example,
conversation.
Margarita, when I teach profession or jobs, the specific word is role plays or sketch.
No, it could be an activity.
After the evaluation.
Margarita, for example, another aspect is brainstorming is that the students compare your own progress with other students.
Yes. And what strategy could you use to do that?
For example, in oral evaluation, in oral reports, or in games.
Or rubrics. Or rubrics or checklists. Yes? Because you can write, I try to produce 10 sentences in 5 minutes. They are going to check if that's true or not. I mean, like self-assessment or self-evaluation. That is really, really important. Okay.